hope you guys are still enjoying the holiday season, enjoying your family, your friends. But really quickly, I want to reveal what I brought my husband for Christmas. But look at this packaging. It's the packaging for me. Season, but I want to do it. Well, it's not an unboxing because my husband unboxed it for Christmas, but I want to do a reveal and, you know, a look-see around, because I can't do a review. He hasn't reviewed it yet, or wore it or tested it out, but I just want to reveal what I got my husband for Christmas, just in case you were looking for something for the special man in your life. So here is the Christmas packaging. Like, for real, y'all, it's the packaging for me. Like, I cannot. Alright, so of course it came with everything at the bottom. It came with all the holiday ribbons, but he of course unboxed his Christmas present. So let's start off with the smallest thing here. Get this bad boy open. And here we go. It is a passport holder from the men's line. Right? So this is the Louis Vuitton passport holder from the men's line. I think they call the black engraved monogram Madagascar. I'm not sure, but I will of course leave all the details and links below. But this was one of his Christmas presents. Now, y'all probably already know or guessed it, but he just didn't get these two things. But you know, who want to see new underwear, socks, shirts? Who want to see the boring stuff, okay? So next, let's get into the big guns. So the box is open because, again, this was his. Let's take that out. I should have checked how he put this thing back in the box, but you know, here we go. Okay, at least it's covered. Here we go. He got for Christmas, y'all, this mess I'm gonna have to clean up, is an Avenue sling bag in the damier graphite. So let's go over her. Well, I guess him. Let's go over him. It is the Louis Vuitton damier graphite canvas print with silver hardware. It has one large. Oh, it's air paper in it. I don't want it to get stuck in the zipper. Let me push the air paper back. Okay. So it has one large compartment. So the air paper is getting stuck in the zipper. And okay, let's take this out. Let's take this out. Okay, let's try that again. So that's the smooth zipper I'm looking for. So it has silver hardware. And what does it have? Okay, I don't know. So it has one slip compartment here. And then it is a black textile lining, Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And that is all for the big compartment. So the larger compartment just have one slip compartment. And then it has a smaller compartment here. I don't know if this can hold a maxi, an iPhone Max. Hold on, let me go see if I can find my phone. So this is not an iPhone Max, but it's, you know, the regular size iPhone fits in here with no problem. So let's see if the passport will fit. Oh, that fits with no problem. And zips with no problem. So let's see if both fit. All right, and zip with no problem. It does. Okay, so I'm sure an iPhone Max would fit just fine. Let me take that out. Take that back out. Alright. Now, the little front compartment, does it? Nope, it doesn't have any pockets or card holders. Now, the strap is adjustable, but only one end of it is removable. And you can attach it to either side of the bag. I guess whatever side you would feel comfortable wearing it on, whether your left or your right side. And the strap, now the strap, I ain't gonna lie, look like that is gonna be a lint catcher. But you know, we'll know, I don't know, we'll see, we'll see. Doesn't have any side pockets. And that's it. I guess for the men's line, pretty simple. Okay, good people, that is it. That is my reveal of what I brought my husband for Christmas, the Louis Vuitton passport holder, and also the Avenue sling bag. So let me know, because if you like me, I shop from the men's line. I shop from the men's line. So if you want me to do a what fits in my bag, I will do that with his sling bag. Of course, I'm gonna ask him, but you know, what a problem, ain't no problem. Here, let me do it. So I can do a what's in my bag, or if you want a more detailed review, I know this was quick, but I'm trying to get back to my family. But so let me know in the comments if you need any further additional details, information, video, with a problem, ain't no problem, I got you. But of course, again, I hope you are enjoying your holiday season, and if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications so you don't miss a video from me. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Like to Know It, Pinterest, all the places at Rakita's Closet, and I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Okay, bye.